India, the land of the great Ganges and the majestic Taj, has now been acknowledged as one of the fastest growing economies of the world. With the advent of liberal and outward-looking economic policies in the early 1990s, India has taken giant steps in the industrial development, particularly in the software and electronics sector. Maharashtra, a western state of India, with Mumbai, the commercial capital of the country, is the most industrially advanced state of the country. Nasik, a vibrant industrial town, is located just 180 kilometers northeast of Mumbai, having excellent connectivity through a 4-lane national highway, efficient rail network and daily flights. Rishabh Instruments Private Limited came into existence in the year 1985 as a brainchild of visionary technocrat Mr. Narendra Golia. Mr. Golia, the principal shareholder of the company, has an outstanding academic background as he has completed his B.Tech from the Indian Institute of Technology, Mumbai, and MS in Microelectronics from Stanford University in the United States. Rishabh Instruments is thus a dream of a first-generation entrepreneur. Rishabh Instruments is engaged primarily in developing, manufacturing and marketing of electrical test and measuring instruments and industrial control products. Right from its inception, Rishabh focused on manufacturing its products with high global standards, global sourcing of raw materials with value addition, as a result of which, in a very short span, the Rishabh brand has become a hallmark of quality, safety and reliability, not only in Indian markets, but in the markets of nearly 30 countries of the globe. No wonder that Rishabh Instruments commands a significant share in the organized ICP and TMI product markets and has emerged as the world leader in the manufacturing of analog panel meters. Our products were being marketed by an Indian multinational, Larsen & Toubro, for over 15 years. The Crompton Greaves International Division is marketing them for the last 15 years in international markets. This itself is testimony of customer trust in Rishabh. In a span of 25 years since its inception, Rishabh Instruments has achieved many significant and diversified milestones, right from becoming the world's biggest manufacturer in analog meters to starting its own research and development center to setting up of truly integrated manufacturing facilities. Our customer list includes multinational electrical panel builders, electrical utilities, large companies in metals, cement, petrochemicals, telecom, railways, technical institutes, defense sector, and a large number of medium and small manufacturing companies. As a Rishabh team, while the directors are actively involved in the management of the company, the day-to-day operations are entrusted to the dynamic team consisting of multidisciplinary experts with a vast work experience behind them. Rishabh has 390 employees, out of which 63 are engineers. In addition to this, our Research and Development Center, Trishula, has a contingent of nearly 45 technocrats, having over 50 man-years of total experience of working with European design and development engineers in product designing and testing. Rishabh Instruments possesses a spacious physical infrastructure in the form of utilizable land and buildings. The total land is over 19,000 square meters, while the built-up area is over 15,500 square meters. It is indeed a matter of great pride for Rishab to mention that we have a unique integrated process of manufacturing system. All the processes, right from the product design to the final assembly and testing, take place under one roof. Our unique manufacturing integration includes Digital Design Center equipped with PCB designing software, mold and tool designing facilities, molds and tools manufacturing facilities, Molds and Tools Inspection Facilities, Mechanical Design Center with facilities for plastic and punch components designing, molded components, press and punch components manufacturing facilities, PCB manufacturing for surface mount components and plated through hole components, PCB inspection facilities, coils and small transformers winding facilities, expertise to develop production jigs and fixtures, environmental test facilities. As far as calibration is concerned, Rishab has implemented a closed-loop calibration eliminating human errors. Our calibration system is accredited by National Accreditation Board for Testing and Calibration (NABL) as per ISO IEC 17025-2005. Rishab can enhance production capabilities at a short notice to meet requirements of the customers in case of bigger orders. This flexibility in our production capacity is our strength. This integrated manufacturing process is carried out in a totally dust-proof environment with the use of air curtain, ESD flooring, etc. We also have air-conditioned calibration rooms as required by standards. To ensure manufacturing with global standards, we at Rishab have evolved strong procurement skills. We source our materials globally, ensuring both the world-class quality as well as cost effectiveness. The research and development efforts, the state-of-the-art manufacturing facilities and the world-class product range of Rishab instruments is well supported by a well-organized marketing network both in India and abroad. Trishula, the Research and Development Center of Rishab, has been recognized by the Department of Science and Technology, Government of India, and has received their fundings as well. Rishab Instruments as a manufacturing unit has also obtained the prestigious ISO 9001-2000 certification. Rishab products are tested for CE, CSA, UL, ASTA, IEC, IS and many other national and international standards. It's no wonder then that with such dedicated research and development efforts, state-of-the-art manufacturing, focused marketing and global price competitiveness, our esteemed customers are extremely satisfied with our products and their performance. Let us hear from them what they have to say about us and our products.
Siemens Nashik is part of Siemens AG Germany. We are in the business of manufacturing engineered panels. Rishab Instruments supply us metering equipments that are used in our products. We have over a decade's relationship with Rishab Instruments. We are satisfied with quality and service of Rishab products.
TDK APC is a Japanese company and we are in the business of design and manufacture of passive electronic components. One such business vertical focuses on providing power conditioning solutions to various customers. For this business vertical, we have contracted Rishabh Instruments Private Limited to design and manufacture certain electronic key components for power factor correction. The scope basically involves detailed engineering, alternate sourcing, design and development of special test jigs for validation, SMT PCB manufacturing, calibration and burn-in test. We at TDK APC are very satisfied with the quality of teamwork and the technical support we get from Rishab, and we look forward for such more projects in future.
Indian economy today is poised for making its mark on the global platform with its numerous advantages. It is positioned as a low-cost country with a very large number of English-speaking skilled population, particularly in electronics and software development sectors. India, the largest democracy in the world, has a stable democratic system with forward-looking socio-economic policies so that the foreign companies get a business-friendly atmosphere. Most importantly, India is a signatory to WTO's agreement on intellectual property rights and possesses a strong and stable legal system for the protection of intellectual property rights, and therefore technology sharing with Indian companies is secure. Against this backdrop, we at Rishabh Instruments have set our mission to be numero uno as a global player with each category of industrial control products as well as test and measuring instruments. Rishab is looking for manufacturing outsourcing jobs, licensed manufacturing, design outsourcing, joint venture, and product marketing of synergetic companies. We have an experience of developing manufacturing for European companies as well. Let us have a look at two of our main success stories. Rishab has successfully developed power factor controller for EPCOS. The design is from EPCOS, Germany, while the mechanical and electronics adoption, molds, tools, production fixtures, burn-in chambers were developed at Rishab. David Horn, a UK-based company dealing with police interview recorders. Their entire manufacturing was outsourced to Rishab, who did metal boxes, PCBs, harnesses, testing and calibration. At Rishab, we believe that with the right kind of business strategies and vision, we can conquer the world. Let us meet Mr. Narendra Golia, MD, Rishab Instruments, and hear from him about the future strategies of the company.
Rishab's future growth will come from being able to develop products or manufacture products for countries in the Western world where it is becoming very difficult to remain competitive. Already Rishab has a history where we've been able to make products for companies such as EPCOS, David Horn and many more. The strength lies in having a vertically integrated manufacturing facility which besides manufacturing can do molding, punching, SMT and all the related operations. We hope the Western countries will use these facilities for a win-win situation with the Indian company Rishab.
Ladies and gentlemen, we have the confidence and the capacity. We welcome any business partner in our future journey with open arms. We believe that this synergy will open many new pastures of business opportunities. We are ready. What about you?